As you live next door.
I'm trying.
Okay. Oh, she has a beautiful,
Oh, she's here.
yeah.
Sorry. I always do.
Hello! Hi!
Gusto na?
Kumusta? Ito.
Simple.
Wow!
Katoliko
Thank you.
ka?
Yes.
Yeah, I have a small Bible and rosary.
Oh,
That's
thank
already
you.
blessed.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Nagulat ako. Magugulatin pa naman ako.
Oh. Ikaw lang mag-isa dyan?
Oo.
Ah.
As a moment single.
Oh, widow.
Yeah.
Oh. Ang ganda ng flower mo.
Ano ko, kabibili pa lang yung sa araw.
Oh, ganun.
Sandali lang, sara ko yun.
Mm-mm.
Separada ako.
Oh, amo?
So, okay lang yan.
Oo.
Ang ganda nga yung ganyan eh.
Oo. Taga-diin ka?
Ha?
Taga saan ka?
Taga Pampanga ko, pero mga anak ko sa Manila.
Ah,
Yung isa para niya, yung dalawa para niya, tapos yung dalawa sa Pedro Hill.
kabalin ka pala. Kabalin? Ang tawag
Pampanga
doon?
ka?
Hindi, yung dati kong mister
Hiwalay
Kapampangan.
ka din?
Oo.
Hello, my dearest friend.
Welcome.
Ayan.
I'm drying my slippers.
Yeah.
Palis na ako eh.
Ah.
We speak our own language.
That's good. That's good. I want you to.
You know, last night, in the middle of the night, I'm really cold because when I see outside, a little frosty. Now I switch on my halogen because I feel cold. I always feel cold, my goodness.
You feel cold
Yeah.
all the time.
Gusto mo, bigyan kita ng ano, kasi kailan ka ba uuwi?
Sa Sabado.
This coming,
Balik na ako ng Manila.
why?
6 months lang ako dito.
Ano ka lang, visit visa.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Can I just ask you? Can I give you a drink? What would you like to drink? I've got some non-alcoholic.
No. even non-alcoholic, I'm still, you know me.
No,
already,
it's just fizzy.
Yeah, you know what I mean.
Yeah.
When you're jenning, I'm only drink water.
Yeah.
It's very strong to me. Oh. What are you joking?
What would you like to drink?
Hey, anong pangalan mo?
Luz.
Good, I'm Linda. Just call me Linda.
Okay.
My Facebook is Mamita Dalins.
Okay na.
Hindi ako
Mamaya.
ever since. Even I'm in Macau or Taiwan already.
Choose one.
Oh gosh. Halika. Take a look.
And you lose.
Wala akong stand.
Hello, naka-video ka ba?
Oo, naka-video ako.
Still in video.
It's in my,
How can I open this one?
in my YouTube.
Still.
What's that?
Fruit tea, yeah?
Do you want fruit tea or coffee? There's every kind you can think of there. Chocolate, tea, coffee.
Iced tea.
Coffee. I want only coffee.
Just ordinary coffee.
Yeah.
Which one do you want?
Oh, gold.
Good, yeah.
That's latte.
Yeah.
Oh, that one.
This one.
Okay.
Yeah.
This one. Thank you. I want that.
Orange
Thank
and
you.
ginger.
My coffee.
Thank you.
Okay.
Maghapon kayo dito?
Ha?
Maghapon kayo?
Eh,
Pasyal tayo. Iwanan mo siya. Itutur kita. Hindi ako nagbabayad sa bus eh. I have a bus pass. Same,
hindi mo na ako nakapasyal dito kahit saan.
Pasyal kita mamaya. Huwag mo na umuwi.
Okay.
I'm not busy today. Right? I'm not busy today. Because I tell to her, we go where not very near here. So if she want to,
Yes.
I can show about what happened. Oh, just very near.
Would you like that?
Okay.
Yeah. Gala-gala
Yeah,
tayo.
gala.
Ay, naku, nakakaya.
Hindi kami nakagala eh. Dito,
Bukas.
Hindi man na ako nakagala dito.
Gusto mo, kasi merong, no, you can ask first to your, sa asawa mo, kung pwede kang gumala, kasama mo ako. Sabi mo sa kanya, you can tell to him, if she want to you and me together to go somewhere. That's very near here.
Oh.
Because I don't know also the other place. Just on here, there, and just walking.
Well, I'll let you two do that because I can't walk a long way or anything like
Okay.
that. But I would like you to meet, you know, and just enjoy each other's company.
So that's, yeah, I
And if you want to, you can come back here for lunch. It's entirely up to you.
Yeah.
No,
About one-ish?
it's okay
Is
that.
that all right with you?
Yeah, okay.
Do you like pasta?
I know. Well, I don't know how to say it. Because I eat already my breakfast past 7 because I take medicine, right? I cook miso soup like Japanese.
Yes.
I mix that with tofu and seaweeds. Everything is there, and also cream chicken. That's my breakfast this morning.
Okay. But it's up to you. What
Ikaw,
would you
bahala
like
ka.
to do?
Ako, hindi masyado kumakain ng pasta eh.
I
Anything.
ate also pasta
Yeah, anything.
Just
yesterday.
I've got shrimp and crab pasta.
Any.
Not
It's
shrimp
okay.
at all. It's yes, prawns.
You can ask her about the chicken. It's okay. Anything I can
Okay.
eat. The Filipino, anything can they eat. Me, anything that I can eat except the rhubarb. I don't like the rhubarb.
Oh, I like that.
You know,
I like rhubarb.
no, when I first came here, I never did me rhubarb. Too sour. I don't like
No, but
it.
you've got to dip it in
I don't
sugar.
know. I know they put some sugar, but I don't like it. Too much sugar, too much sour. So, but beetroot, I like it really. Beetroot, yeah, with a little sour and a little sweet. I like that. You see my hands on?
Absolutely
Still
freezing.
freezing.
I bought this.
Oh, laki.
Oh.
God, grabe.
Minsan,
Bakit?
ewan ko, yung circulation ng blood ko hindi maganda. Tapos pag really, let's say, I was a cold water, my one finger turn na violet, the
Oh.
blood circulation of
Oh.
So, nung tinulungan niya ako, ang blood pressure getting na yun.
Ilang taon ka na dito nagkatira?
10 years na.
10 years. Okay.
Gusto ko sumaya. Sa Tuesday, we have Jimmy knows that Catholic social club.
Yeah.
We can meet a friend there, over there, and then just drink like, what you call that? Hindi ako minom eh.
Oo.
Ano lang, magkano lang yun? 1 pound lang yata yun. Hindi kasi kung umiinom, ayokong uminom. Ang dami kong naka-display na wine sa bahay ko.
Oo.
Tapos yung friend ko, friend na din niya, in-introduce niya. Pag dumarating siya, they drink. But then, what do you want to? I will cook. And then now, she cannot drink now because may sakit siya. Ang blood pressure niya, tatlo kami eh.
And it wasn't my fault.
Well, no, it's not. No, of course not. You know why? She have the blood pressure getting higher, over 200. I mean, getting down. Yeah, and may asthma pa siya. May fiber pa siya. Ako naman, pababa. Kasi yung over hindi maganda. 51 to 55. Kami ko, nagulat din ako, sobrang putla. Namumutla ako. And nag-call ng ambulance, but we got the wrong number. Instead of 999, my friend tell to me, you can call 111, but no good. So I'm not really well. So I call my friend over there, and then he's the one who go to the RNE. Just only 3 hours. That 3 hours because they give me urgent treatment. And then my friend said, oh, you're lucky, it's just only 3 hours.
Oh.
When we go there, 6 hours to 7 hours to wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, me only 3 hours.
No.
Because because I have vertigo, right? Because they will know when I'm walking like that. Ganun.
You're dizzy.
Yeah, because I have vertigo.
Oh, yeah.
Shall we go in?
Oh, thank you.
Would you like some biscuits?
No, thank
No.
you.
Are you sure?
Where is mine?
No.
Oh, I like this one. The ginger. I like this one. Good for the hair.
It will go through.
Okay.
I'm going to grab a biscuit
Okay.
because I haven't had the.
Yeah. So you can go.
Riding in the bus with my friend, Linda. Yeah.
Hello, Philippines. Hello, kabayan.
Ito-tour down niya ako dito. Bago ako umuwi.
Yan, nilalakad ko lang yan. Dito pagkakto.
Ah,
Oh, 30 minutes.
parang ano lang.
Yeah, pag gusto mo magpunta dyan, dyan na kami nagpapatingin.
Malapit lang.
Clinic. 10 minutes.
Oo. Saan tayo pupunta sa downtown?
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
15 minutes lang.
Oo.
Tapos sa station tayo, I will show you the press gate. Because see it back tomorrow to the
Yeah.
Philippines. Pag may WhatsApp ka, isend mo yung video sa WhatsApp.
Ay, WhatsApp? Wala
Oo,
yata
wala
akong
akong
WhatsApp.
Kasi
Wala.
sa Messenger, di pwede pag
Oo.
WhatsApp.
Ano?
Kaya i-post mo na lang sa wall ko.
Oo. Okay.
Malamig ka dyan sa Scotland. Kahit sa summer, still cold. Nandun sa Philippines.
Kahit naman dito, malamig pa rin.
Kasi yung birthday ko, nag-snow para wala na akong darating na bisita. Nag-snow, January 5, then my birthday is 6.
Oo.
Pag nag-birthday ako, 3 times celebration. So now, next year, kaya na kami sa labas. Palengke mo, naluto mo pa,